Hello friend, welcome to my channel. This is Abhay with you. Once again I have come up with a new product. The product name is Cash Mash. So see, during this pandemic most of the people's earning is hampered. So people want to earn through online marketing either as a full time or part time. They want to earn some money through this online marketing. But see, this online marketing is the vast field. So newbie will be overwhelmed with the information available. They don't know what to do exactly to earn the money. So they got confused, and they will not able to earn money because of this vast information. So here this cash smash will help you. So this cash smash is created by Bobby and AJ. So based on their past 2 year experience in this affiliate marketing, they have learned this various method, and based on their experience they have come up with this course. So in this on shoulder course they have developed 7 method. So by implementing these various 7 method you can earn the online money as soon as possible. So this course is a on shoulder tutorial where you will learn 7 different method. By applying this method you will start earning money in online journey. So this is very simple to implement. No experience, no skill is required. So this is still applicable in 2021 as well. So you will get unlimited marketplace to earn, and it's a very easy to follow this training, and you will get the result as soon as possible once you go through this all 7 method and implement this method. So today I have a great offer for you. If you like this product and if you purchase this product through my link, you will get the bonuses which will act as an add-on for this course, and at the same time you will get the bonuses from vendor side as well. The link is already given in the description. So once you click on that link, it will redirect you to the sales page from where you can buy this product. Once you buy this product, you will get the bonuses from my side. So today I will review this product. So first I will take you through the bonuses what I am offering to you. Then we'll go to the member page, and then we'll visit to the sales page where we'll see the price and OTO prices. So let's start our review. So we are on this bonus page. So this product Cash Mash is going to launch today at 10 a.m. EST, that is Eastern Standard Time. So note down, these bonuses will be only for limited period. So these bonuses will be there 13 August midnight. So once this timer goes off, the bonuses will be gone. So ensure that you have to grab this product before that. So this price part we'll discuss once we'll go through the sales page. So from my side, you will get this first bonus, that access to 3-in-1 email marketing app. This app is created by my mentor Jono Armstrong. So see, it's well said that money is in email list. So here in this bonus tutorial, you will learn how to grow your email list. So as bigger your email list, your earning is also more. So through this tutorial, you will learn how to earn money by growing your email list. So step by step way everything is given in this bonus. And my bonus number 2, learn how to master ClickBank. So ClickBank is also one of the platform from where you can choose your product and you can promote that product with your affiliate link. So once anybody buy any product through your affiliate link, you will earn the money. So this is the tutorial. You will learn all the various strategies and hacks. So how to earn from ClickBank. And my bonus number 3, Jono's 3 best traffic source. So see, to get successful in online marketing, you need a buyers. That is also targeted traffic. So here in this tutorial, you will learn 3 best traffic sources from where you will get the traffic for your any product campaign or any product which you are promoting. So here in this tutorial, you will learn the various traffic sources. And bonus number 4 is goodwill access to goodwill. This is also created by my mentor Jono Armstrong. So here unique thing is that you don't need to sell anything to earn the money. Here in fact you have to just give some freebies, like in the form of training or some product or some freebies. So with that you will earn the money. So it's a surprising, but really you will earn money with this. So that these hacks and strategies is given in this bonus tutorial. So you will learn how to get earning by using this Goodwill app. And my fifth bonus is that you will get all the vendor bonuses which vendor is offering along with this product. So this is the from bonus part. So now I'll take you to the member area. So I have logged into this Cashmash member area. So we are on this dashboard. So on left hand side you can see the various methods. So by implementing this method you will start earning money through your online business. So first, this welcome note is given by this creator of this product, Bobby and AJ. In this first method, see the domain flipping. So nowadays people are earning through this domain flipping also. So that in domain flipping you can sell your domain to various buyers. So you have to just create the domain as per your niche and you can resell that domain to the various aspirant. So through this method, various hacks is given, how to do this domain flipping, where to find high values domain, even more sellable domain, where to sell your domain. Everything is given in this method number 1. Then we'll move to the method number 2. Method number 2 is a launch jacking. See, launch jacking is the promoting others product by providing your affiliate link. So that you will promote other people's product by providing your affiliate link. So once anyone purchase that product through your link, ultimately you will earn the money through that product. So this is the overall launch jacking. So here in this method you will learn from A to Z all about the launch jacking. And method number 3 you will learn. So one of the way to earn money through Fiverr. So here everything is given in this method, how to set up your account in Fiverr and other method as well, Canva method, gig creation. So everything is given in this method. So you will start earning by using Fiverr. Method number 4, you will earn the money with the help of Quora. So see, in this Quora is also one of the searchable platform from where you will get the buyer traffic as well, where you can promote your product, you can campaign your product, and from where you will get the unlimited buyer traffic also. So in this method, various hacks and strategies given how effectively use this Quora to get earning for your online business. In method number 5, you will get to learn. See, here we are not earning money just by promoting others' product. In this fifth method, it's an advanced method where you will learn how to create your own product. So by creating your own product and by selling this product on various platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, from that also you can earn the money. So here various techniques, strategies given how to create product, how to sell that product. Everything is given in step by step way. So you will learn from scratch to finish for your product promoting. In method number 6, this is the one of the method to earn the money by promoting any service. So you have to just create online surveys so that you will earn the money through that survey as well. So here exactly how to do that, everything is given in this method number 6. And in method number 7 is the intro to review. So here you will learn how to create review videos or any reviews for any product, where you can put your affiliate link or any promotional link. From there also you can earn the money. So everything you will learn in this method number 7. So next is that upgrade. You can go for this upgrade, various upgrade as well, like upgrade number 1 is 7 additional methods. See, apart from this 7 method, you will get additional 7 method in this upgrade. So in upgrade number 2, you will get full Fiverr Rocket course. Upgrade number 3, that 1-to-1 masterclass you will get, and in upgrade number 4, you will get the resale rights. So as I told, you will get the bonus from vendor side. So you will get the exclusive bonus once you purchase this product. So this exclusive bonus you will get from vendor side. The on-shoulder training view, where 7 method is given, you will learn all these 7 method and you can start the earning money by implementing these various method. So here dedicated support is also given and training is also given. So once if you stuck up at any point of time, you can contact to their support. So this is from member area. So I'll take you through the sales page. So this Cashmash is a pandemic proof cash on demand system that banks us around $100 per day. So this statement I will not agree. So it's a depend on person to person. And see this sales page, I will go through only main points and the price part only. But if you want to go in detail, you the link is already given in the description, from where you just need to click on that link so that you can go through this sales page in detail. So here some testimonial is also given for this product. You can go through in detail once you go through that description. So as I told you, you will get the bonuses from vendor side. So these are some free bonuses which you will get along with this product, like this exclusive over-shoulder training and access to the member-only private group for extra support and method. You will get this second bonus. So this third bonus is in-depth training how to generate 10,000 in 30 days. This case study is also given. Bonus number 4, Cashmash 24/7, the support team you will get. Bonus number 5, you will get the knowledge that entire life about change. So this overall bonus cost is $788, which you will get absolutely free along with this product. Now we'll see this price part. So see, this front end is cost you around near about $13, and see here, note down, if you purchase this front end only, you will get all the bonuses whatever I told you. You will get all the bonuses from my side and vendor side, even if you purchase this front end. And in front end, you will get access to the powerful Cashmash software and training module. In upsell number 1, Cash Explosion, that cost you around $27. Here in Cash Explosion, you will get again further 7 methods. Apart from this inbuilt 7 method, you will use this additional 7 method. Upsell number 2, full Fiverr Rocket course and all the OTOs. This cost you around $47, but downsell price is $37. So with the help of this Fiverr Rocket course, you can start earning money online. So various hacks and strategies is given how to earn the money through this Fiverr Rocket course. And upsell number 3, that you will get 1-to-1 consultation. And upsell number 4, resale rights. So you that cost you around $97, but downsell price is $47. So in this upsell, you will get the resale right for this product, so that you can earn the 100% commission by selling this product and OTOs. So I'll summarize this product. So it's a on-shoulder training which is helpful for the newbies, because see, in online marketing there are so many information. So newbie will be overwhelmed with that information and they don't know what exactly to do to start their earning. So this course will helpful to all these newbies. So these people can use this 7 method which is given in this training. So by implementing this method, they can start earning as soon as possible. So overall, it's a good software for newbie. I hope this review is helpful to you. If you like this product and if you want to purchase this product, the link is already given in the description. Once you click on that link, it will redirect you to the sales page, from where you will get this product along with my bonuses and vendor bonuses as well. On this channel, I will come up with the upcoming reviews of various digital products. So do visit my channel and subscribe the channel. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.